Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to make a quick, somewhat of a stir fry. It's going to be shrimp with garlic and broccoli. So right now I started heating up the water, so let me just show you real quick and we'll get to it. Okay guys, so here we have my pan. I'm going to turn it on real quick. Putting it on medium for right now, just heating it up. You don't need well, I'm using this. I was going to use my wok, but that, don't worry about it. Anyway, here, so then I got butter cooking spray. I got, called for one head of broccoli, but the two heads I had were real small, so I did two heads. We like broccoli, so that doesn't matter. Then we got one of the other star to show is the shrimp. Those were jumbo shrimp. I put 20 of them in there and I cut them. We got some minced garlic, some diced jalapeno that you don't need to put in there, but I'm doing it for a little kick, some little flavor, I mean. Then I got some cornstarch. We got some spring onion or scallions, what they call them. So I chopped them up real fine. There's about 7 of them in there. I got some chicken broth, so that's right there. We're gonna have a very light drizzle of sesame oil. You don't want to overdo it with that because the flavor of that becomes overpowering. And this we're only going to use about a tablespoon. We're going to make the cornstarch slurry in this that'll help thicken up our thing when we get done. And in this bowl I'm going to mix everything together and make like a gravy kind of deal. And over here you can see I got my water boiling. Oh yeah, let me show you. See, I got another pot. Look at that's kind of, you guys are going to see, I'm going to do a video on this, but see, this is all light rust, but I wanted one like this, and all the stores didn't have one at the time when I was looking for it. Lodge didn't even have it, and then lo and behold, after I buy this one, then the stores have them supposedly back in stock. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to clean that one there. I got a couple other ones, we'll do them all together. Okay, so my water is boiling, so now I'm going to put my broccoli in there. We're going to put it on a timer for about 2 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, I got my timer. 2 minutes. Bam. We got to work quick. Okay, so right now we're going to mix these onions here a little bit. This is going to be our little gravy mix or juice mix, whatever you want to call it. That takes care of that. Then we're going to put about a tablespoon of soy sauce in here. The guy in the third row back, listen for that beeping alarm. We got to get that broccoli off there when it beeps. Okay, all right. So we got us a tablespoon of the soy sauce. And then we're going to have a couple of nice tablespoons, probably not tablespoon. We're going to have some nice scoops of some garlic in here, because you want this to be a little garlicky. Anybody that smells this would know it's garlicky. And then I'm going to put some diced jalapeno in there just for a little kick. There goes my alarm. I got to be quick with this here. We're coming. I don't want to get the broccoli too soft, but we're throwing a little bit of this in here. Just a little. That was not even a teaspoon. You get that broccoli off of there. Broccoli done. So it was a little bit over 2. All the broccoli is out. So where was it? Oh yeah. So now we got to put a little drizzle, very little bit of our sesame oil, just a little drizzle, see? No more, that wasn't even an eighth of a teaspoon probably. And then we're going to take our quarter of a cup of and we're just going to mix that around. Okay, then we're going to make the cornstarch slurry, which we're going to get a teaspoon here, I hope. My significant other has devised a way with the drawer, so we're not beating it up, or it ain't beating us up. So we're going to put maybe 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch in there. Okay. Now this is going to start going quick after this. And then I'm going to take and put in probably the same amount of chicken broth, because I like to use flavored stuff. You can just use water if you like. And we'll stir that around, give it a little mix, as they say. And remember, you got the cornstarch, you don't want to let it sit because it gets like cement in the bottom of the container, right? So, next thing we do, got us a little slurry going on here. We're going to pour that right into here. And you can see a changed color of the liquid. Pretty sure you guys can see that. So, I love the smell of that. Don't ask me why. All right, I'm going to give it a little toss of salt and pepper. Very little. And then we're going to swing you guys over to the other side and commence with the cooking, because this will come together pretty quick. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to give us a little lubrication here. Slip and slide. That's what you call them. Slip and slide. Now, even though this is frozen frozen shrimp, it's thawed out, but I'm going to give it a little quick toss in the pan, because this will be done pretty quick. Now, we don't want nothing to burn, so time to go. It's a pretty quick little dish. It's going to taste good. If you like seafood, I'm going to make one of these one day with chicken in it. That will be for our little girlfriend Joanna. She's out there today. This one, I guess, would be for Linda. I think it was Linda. I don't remember. I try to remember all those names, but you know. This by itself right here, if you like the smell of garlic, this is it. Let's put you right over the top. I'm going to turn this up now a little bit. What I'm going to do, I was going to take the shrimp back out of there, but there's no sense to doing that. We're going to dump the broccoli right in on it. Call in for an airstrike. Okay. I'm going to put most of the broccoli in. Probably not all of it, but most of it. I love that bright green color, huh? What do you think? If you like that, give us a like while you're sitting there liking it. Right, I'm going to give this a stir. Now make sure you stir this if you want to make this recipe. Because remember, we put the cornstarch in our thing to make our nice little juice, little gravy, so to speak. That's going to go with this dish. So remember, that cornstarch will sink to the bottom. That's some good flavor there. Okay, guys, I'm telling you, this is it. Nice aroma, nice and green. I don't want to overcook the stuff, but it's steaming already, huh? So I think we're gonna call this a done dish, and we'll plate it up, and we'll see you over at the taste test, huh? If you guys can get the aroma here, holy moly, this smells delicious. Making my stomach go. So we're gonna plate up, meet you at the table. Okay, guys, me and Elmo are here, camera girls here. Oh, you see, I got a new hat. Okay, so let's take a shot at this here. Got some great flavor. Wow, just got a burst of everything. Little onions, garlicky flavor, the broccoli's coming through. I was telling Penny earlier, maybe I'll give a shot of lemon juice on this later on. But if you guys like shrimp and broccoli, this then was almost 100% done in real time. It doesn't take long, very quick. Delicious. Okay, I can't eat no more because I'll spoil my dinner. Huh. Anyhow, we'll get down to business here. When you're out and about, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. I can't wait till I don't have to do it no more. Wash your hands, wash your hands. When you're out and about, use these antiseptic spray with a gel. Wash that. If you go to another store, do the same thing when you come out. When you get home, after you put everything away, wash your hands again. Don't talk with your mouth full unless it's another delicious dish just like this. Look at all them shrimps in it. Can you guys see that? Whoa. Anyhow, give us a like, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't yet, and when you do, a little notification bell will pop down. Slap that, and I will notify you each time that we come up with a new video. So until next time, no, almost forgot. There's also a little arrow down button there. You hit that, you go down, give you a drop down box, give you a link to our Cooking with Saddam page, and also a link to my daughter's artwork website, and give you a complete description of the ingredients and how to make this wonderful dish. And now I think we're starting to get some rain. We need it bad. So this is Mr. Dan saying, stay hungry, my friends, and when you are, come back, and we'll give you another delicious dish just like this. So until next time, stay safe, and we're out.